Basic English and Advanced English. The difference between Basic English and Advanced English lies in the complexity of grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, and the ability to express nuanced ideas. Here's a breakdown of the key differences. 1. Vocabulary. Basic English uses simple, everyday words. Example: I am happy. Advanced English uses sophisticated, precise, and varied vocabulary. Example: I am ecstatic, or I am overjoyed. 2. Grammar. Basic English relies on simple tenses and structures. Example: I go to school every day. Advanced English uses complex tenses, conditionals, and advanced structures. Example: if I had known earlier, I would have gone to the event. 3. Sentence structure. Basic English, short, straightforward sentences. Example: I like coffee. It tastes good. Advanced English, longer, more complex sentences with clauses and connectors. Example: I enjoy coffee because of its rich flavor, which I find incredibly satisfying. 4. Nuance and precision. Basic English expresses general ideas. Example: it's cold outside. Advanced English expresses detailed, nuanced ideas. Example: the biting cold outside is making it difficult to stay warm, even with layers of clothing. 5. Idioms and phrases. Basic English rarely uses idioms or figurative language. Example: he is very funny. Advanced English frequently uses idioms, phrasal verbs, and figurative expressions. Example: he has a great sense of humor and always cracks me up.